encounter gender bias and discrimination. How do you deal with it?
You are in 2025, correct? I was born in 1975, about 50 years before you. There was a lot of gender bias then. I don't think it is there anymore. It is how you put yourself forward to the world. If you put yourself as a woman, if you put yourself as a girl, then people tend to look at you differently. You put yourself as a business owner, then they look at the title and the business ownership only, not as a woman anymore. I think the world has changed a lot in that concept now. I thought you all learned something. I didn't want it to be a lecture. I wanted to interact with you. So if there is something, one thing that you learned today, that is my biggest pleasure. Thank you so much.